Natural disaster survival. Surviving a natural disaster such as a hurricane, earthquake, tornado, or wildfire can be a shocking and traumatic experience. Creating a video tutorial on natural disaster survival is a serious and important endeavor. However, it's crucial to remember that real-life survival situations are highly unpredictable, and providing comprehensive guidance for all possible scenarios in a single video is challenging. Nevertheless, I can provide a general outline for a video tutorial on natural disaster survival, specifically focusing on preparation and initial steps during a disaster. Video title: Natural Disaster Survival Guide, How to Prepare and React. Introduction. Start with an introduction, emphasizing the importance of preparedness and quick thinking during a natural disaster. Mention the types of disasters you'll cover in the video: hurricane, earthquake, tornado, and wildfire. Section 1. Preparedness before disaster strikes. Discuss the significance of having an emergency plan in place for your family. Explain how to create an emergency kit that includes essential supplies like water, non-perishable food, first aid supplies, flashlights, batteries, and important documents. Provide tips on creating a communication plan with family members and establishing a meeting point. Highlight the importance of staying informed through weather alerts and local news. Section 2. Hurricane Survival. Explain how to prepare your home for a hurricane, including securing windows and outdoor items. Detail the steps for evacuation if necessary, including routes and shelters. Discuss post-hurricane safety measures like avoiding floodwaters and checking for gas leaks. Section 3. Earthquake Survival. Describe the drop, cover, and hold on technique during an earthquake. Explain how to secure heavy objects in your home to prevent injuries. Discuss what to do after an earthquake, including checking for injuries and gas leaks. Section 4. Tornado Survival. Describe the signs of an approaching tornado and how to seek shelter in advance. Explain the safest places to take cover during a tornado, e.g., basement, small interior room. Emphasize staying informed through weather alerts and tornado watches, warnings. Section 5. Wildfire Survival. Discuss ways to create a defensible space around your home to reduce the risk of wildfire damage. Explain evacuation procedures, including what to take and what to leave behind. Describe how to protect yourself during a wildfire by staying low, covering your face, and using wet clothing. Conclusion. Summarize the key points for each type of disaster covered. Encourage viewers to practice preparedness measures with their families. Stress the importance of staying calm and following official instructions during a natural disaster. Note: always emphasize that viewers should follow local authorities' instructions during a disaster and seek professional guidance on disaster preparedness and survival specific to their region. Consider consulting with emergency management professionals to ensure the accuracy of your advice. Additionally, including real-life survivor stories or interviews with experts can provide valuable insights and credibility to your video.